After that, the DLC and Majorettes
Hi,
Exhibition
pa-shoutout from
Contest.
Ma'am Jessa.
So, dahil kita magharali, masunod po
Hi,
ang
Sir
band
Benjo.
Majorettes Exhibition Contest. After kayan, ito na pong DLC and Majorette Exhibition Contest. Last entry.
Our last entry, Balawag National High School, Balawag Nabua, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Aaron Longares. Troop Commander, Journey Anay. Troop S1,
Ulat mo
Joseph
yan eh.
Briboneria. Troop S2, Danrep Wadillas. Troop S3, John Carl Martizo. Troop S4, Angel Luares. Troop S5, Major Leader Angel May Balbis. DLC Leader Aaron Querl Nilayan. CTP Alpha Company Commander Ilson Saldo. CTP Alpha Company XO Raymart Buriniaga. CTP Bravo Company Commander Samantha Josefa Faye Gurubao. CTP Bravo Company XO Crystal May Penolio. MAPE Company Commander Justin Paul Rabusa. MAPE Company XO Geno Silvano. First Platoon Leader CTP Boys Phoenix Rain Cedron. Second Platoon Leader CTP Boys Kyle Marmol. First Platoon Leader CTP Girls Rose Ann Taburnal. Second Platoon Leader CTP Girls Joby Joy Sarsa. First Platoon Leader MAPI Boys Randy Silvano. Second Platoon Leader MAPI Girls Marla Paser. School Head Erenia Saison. CTP MAPI Facilitator Tomas Barandon. CTP MAPI Assistant Facilitators Daisy Barandon and Josie Fortuno. Majority Coordinator Aiza Dangkalan. Majority Trainer Mary Joy Bagasada and Donna Fe Dasilio. DBC DLC Coordinator Romeo Benjo Albesa. DBC DLC Assistant Coordinator Jessa Joy Morada. Entry number 9, last entry, Malawag National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Ang cute. Ba't wala itong uniform? Isa na pala na platon ni sir.
Thank you. Entry number 9, Balawag National High School from Balawag,
Hi, ano
Nabua,
siya?
Camarines Sur.
Anong size?
Venue Rancho Festival City Events is brought to you by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Nelson Estes.
So that ends the parade. But we will be coming up with the exhibition contest. Okay, so ini po ang kasunod-sunod ng exhibition.
The Venue
Ito po
Rancho